First day of school. Did you have your ID? Yes. Okay, you may enter. First day of school. You have your ID? Yes, ma'am. Show it to me. Okay, you may enter. Tin, tin, tin. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates.
Introduce yourself. You in the blue one dress. Okay, come here.
My name is Pinky and I live with my house.
Okay, go back to your seat. Oh, you.
My name is Natalie. I live in Manson.
Get your paper and let's draw your family. You can draw your family. Hello there. Let's see what are they drawing.